Thank you for tuning in, guys, and today I'm going to be basically showing you how to remove your Mazda power window switch from your Mazda 6. As you can see, this is basically a parts car, and yeah, it's being parted out. But today's episode is on how to remove this. What you want to do is get you something to pry up on this right in here. Get you something better than this, because you can scratch and damage your trim right down through here, and then it'll look tacky. You don't want that to happen. So get underneath of it here, and then just pry up on it if you can, like so, by being gentle. And that's what I'm talking about. These little places right here, we ain't too worried about those, but if you got a nice, super nice car, then you should be. But get under there, pop it up. Just like so. It takes a little bit of effort, but it will come right out. And here's the tabs that hold you in place. A better view of them, if you can see. Now once you get to this point, you will want to unplug these tabs. They got little places you mash in here and pull out with. It takes two hands, so. Hey kitty, nice of you to join us. Anyway, guys, that is pretty much how you remove your Mazda window switch from your Mazda 6. Hope you enjoyed this video. Drop a like. We appreciate it if you do. And we'll see you on the next